thoughts with us.
Yeah, ma'am, the session was really wonderful. A lot of good takeaways. I, as an Indian, actually, I feel there are a lot of Hindi words that we use nowadays. When my daughter she came from school one day and she said, "Ma'am has said this is a pukka house." So I was like shocked for a minute. I said it's not pukka, it's pakka. So it's Pucca. She was a South Indian. So as a South Indian myself, I corrected her because I have a lot more knowledge of Hindi because I've been staying in Mumbai for a few years.
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of foreign words that we use today in English, and it is important that we learn the correct pronunciation of those words also. Like my daughter corrects me half the time. She says it's like genre, entrepreneur. So a lot of words that are really difficult to pronounce, and a lot of takeaways today, ma'am. It was really a great session. Thank you so much.